Hey guys, some time ago I showed you a couple phone holders. I have one installed over here, and I still have this tablet holder from Leeioo that we need to check. So let's quickly go through the box, let's install it, let's put the tablet in it, and let's check if it's any good. No user manuals, tablet adjustment, headrest holder, joint. Simple enough. Okay, let's put it on. This is iPad mini. It's a 5th generation iPad mini, I believe, the 7.9 inch, and you can grab it, install it horizontally and vertically, but horizontally there's a much better grip over here, since you need to spread those holders wider. Of course, you can just rotate it like this, but you cannot use the charging port in this position, so you need to install it vertically if you have those on the sides, to have it connected to a phone charger. By the way, this is why I have USB ports over here in Golf Mark 7. Okay, so we need to test it while driving, so I will leave it over here and I will take a quick spin around the city center, and we will check how this performs. Okay, I think that we all can agree that it works as expected. The installation is very easy. You have a lot of adjustment with rotation, and the grip is very firm, and those grips are made of some kind of foam or silicone, so it will not scratch your device. You can buy this on Amazon. It costs $12.90, but there's 50% off promo code over here, so it will bring down the price to $6 or $7. And I can also see that the actual design, the current design, is a little bit improved. There's a hole over here. Where is it? There's a hole over here, so you can connect the charger for your device. As I said before, this one doesn't have those holes over here, but the improved design should have it. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple review, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.